We regard China as a very important market for us for collaboration. Currently, we are participating in the Shanghai Expo because we want to introduce hygiene and find distributors for hygiene in China. At the same time, we want to put a foothold in so that we can see what other areas can we collaborate with China. China is a major player, we understand it. And so we are looking to see how we can work together to expand our business. There's a drive within the Chinese people. And this is where we think there's great opportunities of investment there.